Model, 65-plate Vauxhall VIVARO 9-seater factory minibus starts runs drives. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 193,215. MOT, the 16th of May 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and drives bug. The timing chain has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. There is a slight popping from the intake, definitely out of timing, should retime up again if lucky. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 3 former keepers, air-con, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.